Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing the Look Fantastic beauty box for September 2021, and I would like to start with the fact that it's been disappointing with the box from before, but right now it's getting worse and worse. Like, it's a beauty box, so I'm expecting some like makeup products. I mean, like this month I opened the box already and I checked the products and the first product is this Dr. Botanical's Turmeric Superfood Restoring Treatment Mask. It's a ultra restorative mask that helps protecting against the effects of external aggressors by providing your skin with an antioxidant boost. Apply to problem areas and simply wash off to leave your skin feeling it's a very tiny sample, 30 ml. So I think I will be able to use it like 2 times and then it's over. So I'm not sure. I don't know. The second items are 2 scrunchies from the vintage shop. They are this yellow satin color and they are pretty cheap looking. Like, I already can see where the stitches are and I feel like it's going to break. And I have very long and thick hair, so I'm not sure how long it's gonna last. Plus, it looks very cheap, very shiny, and I feel like I can get them from the Philip Kingsley Bond Builder Split End Remedy. This is the perfect remedy for your split ends, shielding healthy hair against heat damage and UV rays. The lightweight formula revives your hair, leaving it more voluminous and healthy looking. It's with the green tea leaf extract and castor oil. You need to run a small amount through your hair from root to tip. For best results, blow dry into your desired style or alternatively leave to air dry. Reapply at least every third wash. Well, this is the only item that's actually getting me excited, which is very sad. Like, it's a split end treatment, like I shouldn't be excited about this, but and also there's no makeup products this month, so I'm actually extra disappointed. Like, this is a beauty box. Horrible. Plus, it's only 20 ml and it says to use it every third wash, but like with my hair, this will be only a 1 use wash. Ritual of Mare Loving Body Cream. I saw this in other unboxing and everyone was praising it, how it smells so nice. And like the description says that it has sweet orange, cedarwood and sunflower seed oil. This helps in the quest for smoother looking skin. Buttery smooth formula that boosts absorptions and help to provide the illusion of a more supple airbrush complexions. I tried, I smelled it, I don't think I don't feel any scent. Like, I don't feel any orange. Like, it doesn't have a scent. Like, yeah, it's moisturizing, I like it, but I don't see the orange. I can't feel it. I don't know. Yeah, I'm disappointed. So this was the actually only item that I was excited to see because we got a sneak peek last month. The fifth item is the Laboratories Filorga Oxygen Glow Super Perfecting Radiance Cream. This magical moisturizing face cream delivers an instant burst of hydration to your complexion. Used over a period of time, the long-term effects of this cream can enhance the overall appearance of your skin. It's with hyaluronic acid and enzymes. Apply over the face and neck area in the morning and evening before bed. Okay. It's very tiny and I don't feel like it brings any shine. Like, I think an SPF would work better. So, no. And it's very tiny. Like, this is 50 ml, so very tiny sample. So, I'm paying £50 for the last item is this cleansing gel from Eco King. It's a gentle cleansing gel for normal to oily skin. It's made with aloe vera, vitamin E, cucumber. This powerful formula that is kind to skin helps to restore moisture to your epidermis. Combining a smooth variant of aloe vera and vitamin E, this gel cleanses your pores from deep down, leaving your skin smoother and more refreshed. It smells nice. It's a big bottle, so I think it's okay. I hope it's good. I'm not sure if it's going to go well with my oily skin. The last thing in my box was this Too Faced makeup bag, and I didn't expect it, but I can see that I'm impressed. It's very cheap looking, shiny material, It's like those cheap makeup bags that I think you can find in Poundland. And like it's heart shaped. Like there's nothing special. I think that the zipper costs more than doing the whole bag, and I'm not sure why they put it in. Like they could have spent the money on actual makeup items rather than on bag. Like I don't use bags. Like in July they put that nice bag, and that was nice, but this one no, it doesn't have a reason to be here. This nice booklet with this cute lady. Yeah, she's very pretty. Nice thing in a box. Sad. And we got some codes for some other products that I will never use. And all I can say is I can't wait for my 6 month subscription to end because I don't want the box anymore. I've been nothing more than disappointed. Like it's a beauty box. I'm expecting some makeup products. I already got the only 2 items I got, like a Revlon lipstick and a 3 eyeliner, and the rest are all small samples for hair care and creams. And I'm not, and like spray tans, like I'm not buying this. I don't want to continue the subscription. And yeah, sad. I didn't like it. Hope there's for my birthday month next month in November it's going to be better, and I'm hoping for better items. And I saw a sneak peek, and I think it's going to be again a match cream, which is great. Yeah, it's a comfort zone reunite cream for 30 ml. That's worth 30 pounds. No, no, thank you. Great. Anyways, thank you so guys so much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye. Like, comment, and share, and subscribe. Bye.